Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. As a part of Dart's control flow statements, we are going to learn Dart's break and continue statements in this tutorial. So let's get started. The break and continue are the jumping statements. These are used to jump out the control or skipping some code statements iteration from the loop. So the first one is break statement that is used to jump out of the control, and the second one is continue statement that is used to skip code statement in one iteration from the loop. So the first one is break statement, and the break statement is used to take the control out of the loop. Using break in a loop causes the program to exit the loop, and break keyword is used for break statement. And the second one is continue statement. So the continue statement skips the subsequent statements in the current iteration and takes the control back to the beginning of the loop. Unlike the break statement, the continue statement does not exit the loop. It terminates the current iteration and starts the subsequent iteration. And continue keyword is used for continue statement. So let's understand break and continue statement with the help of one example for each. So let's write a program to find the first multiple of 5 between 1 and 20. So for that, let's take a variable num is equal to 1. Now we will have a while loop, and inside that we are checking if the number is less than or equal to 10. So if it's true, then it will go inside the while loop. Inside while loop, we are again checking one if condition. If num modulus 5 is equal to 0, that means it's a multiple of 5. So we will print one statement here. The first multiple of 5 between 1 and 10 is $num. So that's it. And in the next line we will use our break statement. It exits the loop if the first multiple is found. So here we are writing the code to finding the first multiple. So if it will find is num modulus 5 is equal to 0, so it will exit this while loop. So it will exit this while loop. So let's write a description in this comment line. Exit the loop if the first multiple is found. Then of course we will increase this number by increment operator. That's it. Let's save and run this program. See, here we have the first multiple of 5 between 1 and 10 is 5. Now let's understand continue with the help of one example. So here we have a program to find the sum of odd values between 0 and 20. So it's again a very easy program. So for that we have to take one variable int num is equal to 0. We will initialize this variable to 0, and we will take another variable. Let's take odd sum. So we are assigning 0 again here for this one. Now let's have a for loop that will go up to 20 for this num. Num is equal to 0, then num is less than or equal to 20, then num plus plus. We are decreasing this num variable, and inside that for loop we will have if statements, and here we have a calculation. Num modulo 2 is equal to 0. That's mean it's a even number. So we will continue. So it means let's have a comment here. If number is even, then it skips the next statement and continue the loop. So inside this we have continue statement. If number modulo 2 is equal to 0, that's it's an even number, we are going to find the sum of odd number between 1 to 20, and otherwise we are having odd sum is equal to odd sum plus num. So that's it. Now let's print this odd sum. The sum of odd values between 0 and 20 is dollar odd sum. So let's save and run this program. So here we have the output. The sum of odd values between 0 and 20 is 100. Please find the GitHub link for these examples in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.